Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Mandela, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, trying on for the very first time, and reviewing the brand called Cosy Island. Now, Cosy Island is supposed to be known for fashionable and comfortable shoes, working women who still want to show up looking absolutely fabulous to work, to church, to your children's functions, and you still want to have that comfortable shoe. I've never bought Cosy Island shoes before, so this is going to be new for me and probably new for some of you as well, okay? So I have 3 different pairs of shoes. Here they are. They come in this buttery yellow packaging. Right. So right on top, it comes in this packaging. It comes with what looks like cozy insoles to make your shoe fit better. These are for your foot care. So fresh out the box, these are the first pair. This is the color Apricot with the black strap there. These are absolutely beautiful so far. Let's take this out. But they can't just be cute, y'all. They gotta be comfortable, okay? Because the girls are tired. We want some comfortable shoes because we want to stay in it. I love heels. I love wearing heels. So if I can get a beautiful heel that's also comfortable, like that is a win for me for sure. I'm gonna try these on. So I have these shoes on. I love the height on these. I love how comfortable they are. These are a 10 so far, a 10. I wasn't expecting for these to be this comfortable. I'm actually taken back because I feel like I can just get up and go and walk out with these to go to a lot of places, and I can walk around all day with these on. Work, kids events, I really feel comfortable in these. These a lot. So as I'm wearing these right now, these absolutely did not disappoint. They're very comfortable. I'm like, it feels like I'm almost wearing like lightweight tennis shoes. It feels like there's no way I'm wearing a heel right now. These are very comfortable. Like I said, these are the StrikeStep Elegant Stiletto Heeled Slingbacks in the color Apricot. And they come in a bunch of different colors as well too, guys. But let's move on to the next shoe. These so far, 10 out of 10. So the next pair of heels that I have are these all black Mules. These are called the GraceLithe. They also have the stable heel and they have the cushioned sole. I believe all of them have the same features, which are the cushioned sole, stable heel, and then the non-slip bottom. Very beautiful shoe. Look at the texture on these. And it has that gold detail buckle. Look at the texture. Look at the fabric. Very beautiful. Very ideal in my opinion. Running out the house, get up and go. You still want to look cute, but you don't want to put that tennis shoe on. But you want the tennis shoe or slide feel. But you don't want to always have to put a tennis shoe on. Like these are perfect if you want to just slip something on and still be fashionable. Very beautiful. I'm going to show you again a close-up what these look like. That cushion insole, non-slip. Very beautiful shoe. I love this Mule. I love that it comes up just a little right there. I really like that look because I think you can pair these with pretty much anything. I love a good Mule and a comfortable Mule. I can put jeans on with this, my dresses, business meeting suits. Pretty much anything, I can just get up and go. I love a good slip on. Let's go ahead and try these on. Just like I expected, I think Cosy Island pretty much has perfected the formula for fashionable and comfortable because, again, it feels like I'm wearing a tennis shoe or like a flat Mule shoe. Like I can definitely see myself running out of the house. Like these are gonna be by the front door because if I don't want the tennis shoe look, but it's kind of like low effort, but cute and fashionable, these are my go-to essentials for sure. Love these. Do y'all see these shoes? Do y'all see these? They're not only cute, but they're very comfortable. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. I'm loving them. Also, all seasons, winter, spring, summer, fall, you can throw these bad boys on and handle your business. You're looking super cute in your business meeting, okay? These are nice. I don't want to take any of these off. Again, look at that. Look at that shoe. I think y'all got it right. I think they got the formula right. All right, let's go to the next pair. Okay, y'all, this is the last pair. Are y'all ready for these? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. These are the last and final pair, guys. But not my last and final pair, because I am definitely going to purchase more of these shoes, okay? These are going to be my essentials for everything, trust me. But let's get back to the shoe. These are called the StrikeStep Elegant Slingback in mint green. And y'all know all the greens are trending right now. I wouldn't say all of them, but the beautiful hues of greens are trending. And these fit right in for your spring and summer collection in your closet. Look at this shoe. I saw this color and I was like, oh yeah, I love my basics, but I gotta have, y'all see that? Let's try them on. So let's be clear before I even try these on. All of your shoes are gonna come with these, but I haven't even had to put these on. So these are just gonna add an extra layer of cushion to shoes that are already comfortable. But I'm gonna try them on, I'm gonna put them on, you know, but they're comfortable. I don't even think I would need these, but I'm gonna try them on for y'all. Look at that. And I just paired it with a floral spring top, my Aritzia pants. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. Come on. What more could I ask for in a heel? They're beautifully crafted. They're comfortable, beautiful colors. What more could you ask for? Okay, just get up and go. Don't just get up and throw on them regular raggedy mules in your your sneakers. Get a little lift. Put you something on that's cute and comfortable. You know, give that long leg look. Listen, not disappointed. Every single pair has been a 10. Essentials in the wardrobe, hands down. Yeah, I don't want to take these off. And the color is literally spring. Mint green, y'all. Mint green. StrikeStep Elegant Slingback. You gotta get beautiful color. And like I said, I just paired it with this floral spring top from H&M, and I got some Aritzia pants on. I mean, who's ready to go to brunch? Y'all hit me up. Who's ready to go to brunch? Who's ready? Let me get my purse. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Now, I had a feeling, because I saw the reviews and how popular this brand was, I had a feeling, obviously, it was something to it. But trying them on, I am extremely impressed. I give every single pair of these shoes a 10. 10 out of 10, hands down. All the pairs that I purchased were a size 7. I have a discount code if you're interested in any of these. Discount code, link to all the outfits and shoes will be in the description. And like I said, I have a 10% off discount code that will also be in the link, y'all. But check the shoes out. Check these shoes out. They are so comfortable. I'm not taking these off. I'm gonna log off of this computer right now and I'm going to get brunch just to show my shoes off. Just to show my outfit and my shoes off. I could literally go running on a track with these on. Seriously. Seriously, y'all. Okay. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, Cosy Island, for making a very well-crafted, fashionable, comfortable shoe. Finally. Thank you so much. I will see y'all on the next video.